What are you doing? Hit your bell. Hit your bell. Get your bell. What you doing? Oh, you'd like to get my camera, wouldn't you? Yes, you would. Oh, my goodness. You about got me. What? What'd you say?
You did good.
Play a little more. Come on. There you go.
And this is a very boring old act for him. Hi, Ava.
Uh-oh.
Hi, Ava. So, and he wants to dance. He wants to dance to Snowball the Dancing Cockatoo on YouTube. And he wants me to get it online now. So maybe I will. How about it? You want me to do that? I'll get it for you. He has a couple of favorite videos. One of his most favorite videos in the whole world is on YouTube. It's called Disco the Talking Parakeet, and it's probably one of the most best talking birds you've ever heard. It said the bird says 300 different words and phrases. Getting your favorite. So this is Disco, a little tiny green parakeet who says, if you haven't seen Disco, you want to meet Disco.
Here we go.
So this little bird, so he doesn't want to listen to Disco today, he wants to dance.
You want Donna Summers?
Alright, that's not good. I'm sorry, I don't want to dance today.
Oh, you're right on me. You gonna come get me? There you go.